Hi, welcome to OPSRACE training program. So we were discussing about Git in previous lecture. We look at how the merge works. So now we want to use the rebase command. In rebase command, basically we'll lose track of everything, and this will become one straight line, one straight path. So how it will happen? Let's say I'm on master and I want to rebase it with feature 1. So what will happen is this path will be chosen, C6 will be applied on top of it, C7 then will be applied on top of it. So that's how it will happen. So let me show you an example. So let's say if we want to merge, so we are on the master branch and we want to rebase with feature 1. So another node will be created which contain these changes. So these changes would be applied on it. So that's how the path will be created, and this is discarded, and then based on this C6 which contain this change and as well as all these changes on top of it, C7 would be applied on top of it. So that's how it will basically create the difference, and now master will start pointing to here. This is where the master will start pointing, whereas these nodes will be deleted because we want to keep a very straight line, and rebase basically loses all the offshoot, all the branching, all the different path that we took. So if we want to see it in the source tree, so that's how it look like. So on F1 we have 4th and 5th commit, so basically these are 2 commits, and similarly master we have 2 commits. We can see here as I explained before. So here the master was pointing to 2 commits and feature 1 F1 is pointing to these 2 things. And if we merge, so it merged by creating a new point, but if we want to rebase, so we are on the master, rebase will calculate the difference and apply it. So let's do this. Okay, so we can see git log graph 1 line. So we can see we are on the master is 2 commit ahead. So let's say git rebase F1, and if we issue the command, we can see that now all the path that was extracted from here now is straightened up and all the changes have been made, and we can see the previous 2 nodes are gone. So if we look at the first commit, this was the hash, second, third, and then we had the 4th commit basically. So this is the feature 1, it is the same, then ABC is also same. Now from the master this hash is changed, so this hash is now changed here. Similarly this hash is also changed from here because it now contains a different sort of change, and we can see in source tree the line is straightened, and now F1 is on the 5th commit, whereas master contain everything which was in F1 as well as its own 2 changes as well. Okay, so if we look at the source tree, we can see that now this line is straightened up. Here we were on the F1, all the changes of F1 are now merged into master. And if we look at this representation, yeah, so here we can see so C6 was changed, so this would be deleted. When this is applied, it would be deleted, and it is similar like the source tree. So it is a straight line. Now all different paths are now merged, so now it's in straight lines. The feature of F1 branch is pointing to C5, whereas master has all these changes we can see here in the source tree. I hope that makes sense. See you in the next lecture.